found items around the house to make my own dance partner to show you La Raspa with a dance partner. And I have nicknamed him Nacho. We're going to show you the partner option for La Raspa. It's just like the individual option, except you will face your partner and do the heel switch. Then when it comes time for the la 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 part, you're going to link arms. Now, Nacho doesn't have any arms, but I'm just going to grab the arm of the chair. And in a circle we go. Then we will switch arms. In a circle we go. So, let's see what that looks like with the ba-dumps and the la-la-las. Here we go. Ba-dum, 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 ba-da-da-da-dum, ba-dum, 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 ba-da-da-da-dum, ba-dum, 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 ba-da-da-da-dum, ba-dum, 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 ba-da-da-da-da-dum, la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Switch arms. And then you will go right back to facing your partner and doing the heel switches. Another option with a partner is one partner stays still. Nacho's good at staying still. And the other partner kind of skips around them. And then that partner stands still and the partner skips around them. I will probably just pretend with Nacho because it's a little too hard to pivot, my friend here. So, I think we're ready to try with the music and a partner, whether it be made of items or an actual family member. Here we go.